In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew expired domains with Hostinger. So if you've ever forgotten to renew a domain or simply weren't aware of the expiration date, don't worry, you're in the right place. Renewing a domain is crucial to maintaining your online presence, ensuring your site remains accessible to your audience, and retaining your hard-earned ranking in search engines. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First things first, navigate to the Hostinger website and log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up and register an account. But assuming you already have one, go to the Hostinger homepage and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. It's here that most of the magic will happen. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see various navigation options. Click on the tab labeled Domains. This is the section where you can view all your registered domains, their status, and manage them. Take a moment to get familiar with this section, as it is central to administering your website's domain properties. Now you should see a list of domains associated with your account. If a domain has expired, it will typically be labeled as such. To renew your expired domain, you'll need to click on the domain name itself. This takes you to a more detailed overview of this specific domain where you can manage renewal settings and other domain-related features. Once you're in the detailed domain view, look for a button or link that says Renew Domain. This is usually quite prominent given how critical domain renewal is. Clicking this will take you to the renewal page where you can select the renewal period. Keep in mind that renewing for a longer term might come with discounts or other benefits, so it's worth considering a multi-year renewal if it fits into your budget and long-term plans. After selecting the renewal term, you'll need to proceed to the payment section. Here you can review the charges and apply any discount codes you might have. Be sure to have your payment information ready. Hostinger accepts a variety of payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal, giving you flexibility and convenience. Finally, submit your payment and confirm the renewal. You should receive a confirmation email notifying you that your domain has been successfully renewed. Make sure to keep a record of this transaction for future reference. And there you have it. Your domain is now renewed, ensuring your site remains live and accessible without any interruptions. Remember, keeping track of your domain's expiration dates and setting up auto-renewal options can save you a lot of hassle in the future. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has helped clarify the renewal process. Until next time, happy hosting with Hostinger.